Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I just want to show you what happens and what to do if your front load washer for some reason can't resolve an unbalanced load to be able to spin. As you can see in the display, it has UE, which means uneven. After a period of time, usually during the final spin, if for some reason the washer can't achieve its a balanced load, it'll stop and it'll give you a UE, which means uneven load or unbalanced load. And then it'll stop and wait for you to come fix it. As you can see, I was trying to do a few pillows, and apparently one of them was just a little bit too heavy and it couldn't get it into a proper place to be able to achieve the full spin. So it basically shut itself down. Now, I don't know how long it takes for it to reach this, but the best way to resolve it is, because this can happen with the load of clothes too, like if you happen to accidentally put like a heavy coat in there along with like a bunch of clothes, and it can't find that find a balance to be able to spin up the speed. This is basically what'll happen. So basically, you go in, figure out what's heavy, try to redistribute it a little bit, and then once you've done that, all you gotta do is just push it, and as you can see, it'll go back. It was on its final spin when that happened. About 17 minutes left. All you gotta do is just push the play pause button, it'll reset it, and then just push play pause again to restart the final spin. This could happen several times, really, depending on whether or not it can achieve a balanced load. I mean, fortunately for me, if I ever have that problem, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just take the load and I'll put it over in my old washer and just let it spin out. But that's what happens if for some reason the front load washer can't achieve get up and spin up because of an uneven load, that it can't balance it out. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and God bless. So long.